Hello and welcome to this MindGenius session on hints, tips and FAQs. What we're going to do today is we're going to cover on how to export your mind map to Microsoft Word. This is one of the most common practices in using MindGenius for sharing information. We have a lot of students that use it for exporting notes, consultancy, many different reasons of why you would want to do this. However, just before we export this to Microsoft Word, what we're going to do, I'm just going to cover one of the few little basics here. What you can see in the notes editor area is that anything that you have bold or any formatting or anything like this that you've done to the text, when you export that, you can actually export that as well, or you can export it as a plain map. So what MindGenius does, it uses a specified template for Word, which then will create and open up a Word document automatically on export. So what this will do, as I just mentioned, is it will take advantage of the different styles, subheadings, headings, body content, etc. However, you do also actually have an option where you can export it without that, and it will just export it all as the same type of font and text and sizes, etc. And then you can go into Microsoft Word and create it as your own template, or you can use your own company header template. So let's jump straight in and we'll do this export. So across the menu, across the top in the ribbon, you just left click on export. You then click on Microsoft Word. You choose where you would like to export that to. So I'm just going to export that to my documents. I'm going to click on save. And in here we have a number of different options of what you can do. So these are the default options here for general options and include options. So this will change on if you just want to export a particular view. So if you were just viewing a particular section of the branch, you can just export that, or if you want to export the entire map, you're able to do that as well. You can also tell it to export with or without notes, etc. So again, on this, depending on how you want to export it, you can just tick these either on or off, as easy as that, just by left clicking. And on the general options, we're just going to use the default Word template, but you can also have your own template as well. And in here, we're going to tell it to maintain the formatting. And the one last section here is how do you want the map to show? Do you want it split or do you want it as an image? And how does that map, do you want it on here for the image orientation? So you can set it as portrait, landscape, or leave it as auto, and then MindGenius will decide. So once you've done all these settings in here and you're happy with them, you just simply click on OK. And then what happens here is that once it's exported, Microsoft Word will then open. And I put in some sample notes into and sample text into this mind map. So you can see I left this to auto. So MindGenius has now said that this is best looking in a landscape mode. And then as we scroll down, you can see that the title of the map is here. So that's put it in as the title. And then we've then got the headings as we go through on the different headings, as you can see here. And then from within Microsoft Word, you can do your normal formatting as well. In one of our other videos on this channel and in the support, you'll see that we also show you how to import documents into MindGenius from Microsoft Word as well, which is extremely useful. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you find this video and our other videos extremely useful. Thank you.